What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a little money while training some skills. So yeah, let's get this shit started. First of all, let's go to the Grand Exchange. Oh shit, gonna have to cut the... So then once you're in the Grand Exchange, you'll notice that I'm buying these dragon stones and I'm buying them at the lowest price possible, and the way to do that, the way to check it, would be to pull it up, buy 10 for a high price, and that's going to tell you, what they sell for instantly. So 8,421, and then we'll sell them and you got 8,360. So that's the price that you're gonna want to buy them at, except I'm actually buying them for a little cheaper, so that's kind of crazy. And actually they're buying, which is crazy. But normally you would just put it in at this price, wait till it buys, and then do the same with gold bars. Do 10. And so, there's only like a 18 GP difference. So, there's not like a whole lot of room. So, you could put in at 905. I bought all these at the high price just so they'd buy fast, because what's 20k? So 20k isn't much. But when you're talking 100 gold points, or gold, times by 5,000, you're talking almost 500k you're saving by buying these at the low price. But then, once you buy these, I have like 15,000 being bought, and then you'll hop on world 84 and teleport to Lumbridge. And then from there you're gonna head north. And actually, I think you've got to do a quest to deposit all the gold bars. I can't remember which quest that was. So if you haven't done that quest, just go and try and deposit the gold bars into the furnace, and it will tell you. I can't remember. But then you're going to want to come up to your bank. Holy crap, I'm lagging. And then you're going to want to get a full inventory of this dragon stone. Click on this, if you're on the transfer, click on presets, then this little gear, and then you can set up different presets. I got it as one, and then click overwrite. And then come over here to the furnace. You're going to come down here to the molten glass, and then to the dragonstone bracelet, and just start making this. So each bracelet that we make is a 1k profit between the stone and the gold bars. So we're making 28K every minute or so, which comes out to about 1.6 mil every hour. And then once you finish making all the bracelets, you're gonna want to go to the Grand Exchange. Here, I'll show you in just a sec. So after you're done making all 5,000 or whatever, let's say you only make 1,000 that day. Once you're done that day, and I would price check it every single day because prices do change. So once you're done for that day, come in here and grab all of your bracelets. Come to the Grand Exchange, and then let's buy 10 of these at high price. And so now we know that we can sell these for 10,234. So what I would recommend is selling them at 2,230. So they'll buy a little quicker. Yeah, 2,000 or 10,230, and then confirm. So right here was 740. Oh, actually, here, let's check this out. Oh, so let's just sell 10 of these just to see, how. Oh shit. So let's sell 10 of these at low price. Yeah, so there's only a 14 GP difference, so you're not really flipping a whole lot with this. So like, let's say you made 5,000 of them, that would only be like 10K if you're selling them at 10,230. But I mean, if you throw these in overnight, they'll buy for sure. So you just made, and this only took me 30 minutes, so you just made 730K just off of that alone. And then, it's 730, and then like another 70K. So I mean, you're flipping on top of skilling, and it's gonna make you even more money. And then also, while you're doing this, and if you have enough money, you could be flipping other shit, just miscellaneous items. And to do that, just do exactly what we did. Buy 10 of the item, and then sell it. And then once you know, okay, I can buy these at 83.60 and sell them at 84.21 and make almost 100 GP per one. And when you get up to like 5,000, that's almost what, 500K, I think. Let's double check my math here. Yeah, so 500K, and you're not even doing anything. You're just letting your money build you more money while skilling and making you money. So you know, I made this account a month ago and I've already made 700 mil just by doing this simple stuff. And actually, before I started training, you know, doing this method, I was just flipping items at the Grand Exchange, just miscellaneous. But another recommendation is, if you can, if you're high enough level, to go to ED3, the Elite Dungeons, and you could make 5 to 10 mil an hour doing that. And I can make another video showing you, you know, how to do that if you don't already know. But you could be doing ED3, making 5 mil an hour while flipping and making more money on top of that. Another good item to flip is the Luck of Dwarves. And you kind of gotta have like probably, what is it, because you can only buy 10 every 4 hours. You gotta have at least pretty close to 300 mil, and you would want to buy one at high and sell at low, just to see what you can buy and sell at. But these flip freaking quick because people are constantly buying them. So you know, you'll be able to flip those, you know, buy and sell within your 4 hour window. Sometimes it only takes an hour to buy and sell. So, and I think I made 3 mil in an hour just flipping those. So it just all depends. Just, you know, try out different items. You want when you're flipping a high buy limit stuff like 5,000 or 10,000 or 25,000, you want to hit at least, you know, 100 GP difference to even make it worth it, in a sense, because if not, you're waiting too long and you're not making much profit off your money. So find a good gap, and anything over like 1K, if let's say there's a high buy limit like 5,000 and there's a 1K difference, I would stay away from that, because that basically tells you that item's price changes a lot, and I wouldn't recommend that. So yeah, this is a quick way to make, you know, a couple mil an hour flipping and skilling, or if you want to make even more, ED3 and flipping. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks.